I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting your asset ready and organizing the timeline. Import the clip, set 24-30 FPS, and trim to the segment you want to sway. Once done, duplicate the clip into 2 stacked layers, a base and a motion layer. Make sure the motion layer is exactly aligned with the base. You're not wasting time on obvious setup. This is the first actionable step. Precise alignment lets keyframes and effects produce a clean sway without jump cuts or drift. Now you build the actual sway using keyframes and subtle transforms. On the motion layer, add position and rotation keyframes, small X shifts and plus or minus 1-3 degrees rotation, alternating every 6-12 frames for a gentle oscillation. Once done, apply ease and slash out to each keyframe so movement feels organic. Linear motion looks robotic. Make sure the amplitude is small 0, 5-1, 5 seconds per cycle or 0, 5-1% of frame width, and finish by smoothing and blending the sway so it reads as camera movement rather than artificial animation. Add motion blur or slightly lower opacity on the motion layer and use a soft mask if needed to protect the subject. Once done, refine timing with speed ramps or the curve editor to sync with music or action. If you see jitter, make sure layers are pixel-perfect aligned, reduce keyframe amplitude, or increase frame sampling. The key troubleshooting tip: realign and simplify beats to remove small position errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.